Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down everyday challenges into simple, actionable steps. Today, we're tackling how to send money from Egypt to India. Whether you're supporting family abroad, handling business transactions, or just sending a gift, this guide will make the process straightforward and stress-free. Let's dive right in. First off, why send money internationally? It's often for remittances, investments, or payments, and from Egypt to India, you'll want the most efficient and cost-effective method. The good news is there are several reliable options available, like online remittance services, bank transfers, and even mobile apps. Step 1. Choose your method. Popular choices include services like Wise, Western Union, or your bank's international transfer feature. Wise is great because it offers low fees and real-time exchange rates, which can save you money compared to traditional banks. Step 2. Set up an account. If you're using an online service, download the app or visit the website and create a free account. You'll need to verify your identity with documents like your Egyptian ID or passport. Don't skip this, as it's crucial for security. Step 3. Enter the details. Provide the recipient's information, including their Indian bank account details, like account number and IFSC code. Double-check everything to avoid delays. Step 4. Check the costs. Always review the exchange rates and fees up front. For example, the Egyptian pound, EGP, to Indian rupee, INR, rate fluctuates, so use a currency converter to ensure you're getting a fair deal. Fees can range from 1% to 5%, depending on the service. Step 5. Make the transfer. Once you're ready, confirm the transaction, and the money should arrive in 1 to 5 business days, depending on the method. Keep an eye on your email for confirmations. A few quick tips. Always use secure networks to protect your data, compare services for the best rates, and consider the recipient's bank in India for any additional requirements. If you're sending larger amounts, check for any tax implications or limits imposed by Egyptian or Indian regulations. There you have it. Sending money from Egypt to India doesn't have to be complicated. If you follow these steps, you'll be all set. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more practical guides. See you in the next video.